Good morning, girly pop. I am in the car waiting for it to finish warming up, and we're gonna go over to the Airbnb because I had a guest check out yesterday. We need to see what it's looking like. My parents were there yesterday right after they checked out to start the laundry, so I'm gonna go and finish everything up. And I also need to go and prep an order. I can try to pack it today. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get that done today, but I'm going to try. I'm going to stay at the Airbnb until about noon because I do have some other content that I need to film. I will see y'all at the Airbnb. I'm at the Airbnb though. Let's check it out. This bed, the blanket is washed. It's out just so it's not getting wrinkly, but we need to do the sheets. All of the sheets for this room are currently in the dryer, so we'll come back to that. Clothes in the washer. I have my clothes in the washer, and then the sheets and things are in there. I have a pile of the sheets and stuff right here, which I will start breaking down from towels and sheets and put those where they need to go. These blankets here were washed yesterday. This needs to just be, I think it's good to go. I'm gonna check it again and then fold it up and put the couch back together. The dining area is good to go. It's already been vacuumed and everything. Bathroom has already been started on. Everything's off the counter. I think she was cleaning it yesterday. Looks like she already did the tub as well. Just need to mop in here then. Clean the toilet. Ooh, the mirror looks great. The mirror looks so great. No smudge, no lint, no nothing on it. It's beautiful. 10 out of 10, chef's kiss. Towels here need to be re-rolled and put back up on the rack. This whole room needs to be put back together, looks like. I'll check that out. This whole room was stripped down already. Looks like it just needs to be put back together. Bathroom looks clean as well, or at least in the process of being cleaned. So we'll come back and check that out. When I was sick the other day, my parents actually came and did some upgrades to the Airbnb. Let me show you one of the new things that I absolutely love. They've now added this little getting ready vanity situation over here with this big giant mirror, a nice little desk that is mirrored. It's actually a console table, but it's serving its purpose, okay? Looks so good. Has this lamp and a little mirror for getting ready. I like this room so much. This is the king bedroom. When it gets back put together, I think I'm going to take a bunch more pictures and update them on the Airbnb profile and on the Verbo profile. Running fast from the way it was, jump quick to a paycheck, running back to the strip club. I'm never going back, never going back. No, you can't make me. Never going back, never going back. They never take me. I've been enough of petty dudes. I've had enough of shitty news. I had a thing for dirty shoes since I was 10. Love dirty men alike. Ooh, better today than cash today. Ooh, I just take it day by day. I'm back in the car again. We're gonna go over to the office so that I can start working on that order that I need to ship off. I doubt that I'm going to ship it off today because it's currently going on 1 o'clock. I might can do it. Just depends on the shirt that I need. So let's head over to the office, girly pop. made this Hello Kitty basket the other day, and I thought somebody was gonna buy it, but they purchased it and then they wanted to cancel their order, so I have it all packed up. If I don't sell it, then I don't sell it. That's okay.